friend of mine gave me a call the other day, and he said, I've got some Demijohns that are going to the dump. Do you want them? And I said, well, yes. I'm doing a bit of brewing at the moment, so I'll have those. And sure enough, the next day he turned up with 10 Demijohns that have been in his garden for so long there's moss growing inside them, or filth, or I don't know what it is. But as you can see, these are quite heavily soiled. And I thought I'd do a quick video on how I clean heavily soiled Demijohns and get them fit and proper. And the first thing I do is I don't use a bottle brush. I mean these are great, but when I've tried to clean Demijohns like this with a bottle brush, it takes forever, and I'm never satisfied with the result. And after chatting to a few people relatively recently, you can buy these things called cleaning balls or magic balls or something, and I thought, well, I need to clean these today. I'm halfway through some similar ones. So I went out into my shed where I have loads of stuff, and I realised I had a kilogram of ball bearings, which are slightly bigger than the ones you buy specifically for the job of cleaning bottles, but their effectiveness is absolutely unreal. So I'm going to do a quick demo of how I go about it. The first one is to rinse out all the loose stuff, so fill it with plain water, not huge amounts. And then whenever I shake a bottle, I always make sure my finger is through the hoop. I can do that without it leaking. My finger is through the hoop so I don't throw it all the way across the kitchen. So that has got the moss, twigs, leaves, dead snails and stuff out of it, and it's looking a lot better, but still really quite minging. And then putting the bottle on the side, because if I were to pour these in straight on the top, they'd probably go straight through the bottom and smash it. So are we still on shot? Yeah. So what I do is pour the bottle on its side. Put the bottle on its side so you can gently pour them in. I've got a kilo. I think you don't really need that many, but it's what I had. It was in the packet, and as with these things, the whole lot goes in. Then I generally use just a single drop of washing liquid, and then about so much water just to help swill it round. Cold water, and then again having a finger through the hoop the whole time I'm swilling it, because if I slip I don't want to throw it across the kitchen and smash everything up. Just gently agitate and swill them round. I can't talk and do this because it's so noisy. Agitate it by gently swilling them round, both on the bottom, the sides and the top, for several minutes, or not even several minutes, for a short while, until it's clear. So that's around the bottom corner, and then to get the centre of the bottom, I use a slightly different action to get the balls to roll across and dislodge everything that's on the glass. And then while I do this, I'm slowly turning the jar round and round. That's looking pretty good. And so I don't pour them all down the sink, I catch them in a sieve when I'm pouring them out. Oh well, just lost 2 of them down the plug hole. Yeah. It's all the rubbish. Of course, also have to clean the outside of the jar, because if you don't clean the outside of the jar you can't see through to see how good the inside is. Rinsing the outside off first so it's not slippery with the soap. And there we have it, clean, not a single bit of debris left, or is there? That's on the outside. Let's try again. Clean, not a single bit of debris left in it. I've not had to go back and revisit it, look at any stubborn points. There's a few what look like blemishes, but they're bubbles actually in the glass. And that's ready for sterilising and brewing with now. And it's taken, look at the counter, it's taken 7 minutes to do that, as well as talk about it and make a video. And all I've used is a couple of handfuls of ball bearings that I think I got from a slingshot seller on eBay. I've got a kilo of those. You don't need so many, and again these are probably bigger than you need, especially if you're cleaning wine bottles, but it's what I had in the shed, and I need to clear up and get rid of, not get rid of, to clean and store some Demijohns. So that's how you clean it.